I searched how to buy shares of Seche Environnement SA as a practical example. Seche Environnement is a French waste management and recycling services company listed on Euronext under the ticker SCHP.PA. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To place an order, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as the example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds to buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SCHP.PA to find Seche Environnement. Then locate the listing that shows Euronext as the market to ensure it is the correct share. Open the asset page to review the basic company description and the price chart. Confirm the company name, Euronext market, and the ticker SCHP.PA match the listing you intend to buy. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor or manage it. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.